At Yentong Room in Xichengdu, Qinshaw, Guqin maker Chao Wei is focusing on painting the Guqin. In more than a month, the Guqin will be finished.
我们竹琴主要一般是选用陈年的老杉木，这样的这个木材啊，木性稳定，时间比较久，稳定性较好，而且这个木材软硬适中，便于发声。
The ancient method of making Guqin is complicated. A Guqin maker needs to master the basics of art and carpentry. It takes at least 700 days and nights to make a fine Guqin. 当一张琴做好的那一刻，其实竹琴师这个内心啊，他的感觉就如同婴儿出生了，由原来那个木材枯朽的，慢慢，当做好一张琴之后，一张新的生命是竹琴师赋予给他的。Name the body of Guqin after nature and mythology. Let Guqin become a microcosm of everything in the world. Pentatonic scale and 12 pitches. Guqin, with its own 7 strings, plays the most amazing sound in the world.
古琴的音上面的音的个数是无数个，每一个音和音之间都有好多音。在标准音之间的那些音运用上，它有非常多的手法，这是所有乐器不可比拟的。在最开始的时候，它是没有琴谱的，慢慢发展以后，它有琴谱了。开始是记的文字谱，右手一个指法，左手一个指法，它用2句话、3句话来表示。后来到了唐代，发明了个简字谱。
Because of Guqin's unique shorthand tablature, the same piece of music played by different people, thus producing diverse artistic effects.
古琴在弹的时候，开始是技术，慢慢的上去就是艺术，再上去就是人文。你的知识背景越厚重，你越会思考，那你弹的琴水平就越高。这个我在年轻弹花山乐，就是说跟着老师的基础去学。到了60年弹花山乐，这我的花山乐就是人文的气息更厚重了。
Playing the Guqin well requires skill and, more importantly, perception. This sets high requirements for the Guqin player's artistic accomplishment and playing scales. Guqin can speak, featuring seasons, nature, and mind. When the Guqin player and Guqin are united as one, any qin sound can contain thousands of meanings.
这个我们传统文人，他是以古琴为生活的一部分，是要陪伴他终生的。他把精神的寄托或者对声音的爱好伴随在这个琴里面。我们当代人用的琴都是新制作的琴，这个有一个磨合的过程。 这个过程就是不断地弹奏它。当我们下了一定的功夫，那么我们与古琴就走得更近，成为我们中国传统文化的一个延续。
For Guqin players, performing the instrument has always been very elaborate. Some classic Guqin songs need players to immerse themselves in the scenes portrayed by the music. In this way, the essence of the song can be expressed. Guqin has been the standard for literati. Holding the literati gatherings regularly to find the beauty of Qin sound.
这个雅集也是我们前人留下来的，在一起互相切磋情谊，在一起交流感情，联络友谊。这个雅集的作用实际上是互相欣赏，让我们的技艺可以得到提高。
Guqin exchange at the gathering is a tacit understanding between bosom friends. Through 3,000 years, Guqin is still alive and shines. From the ancient land of China, its music flows to the world and lasts forever.